Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. ETSE stock price and forecast. ETSE continues week-long dip, giving investors an opportunity to buy. http ntvforex.com news ID 074AA9. 3 minutes ago by stocks reporter, Nasdaq ETSE drops a further 2.21% to close out the negative week. NBSP, the DIY social media site, has benefited from a confluence of cultural events. NBSP competition from Facebook and Instagram has given some investors pause. NBSP, it has been a frustrating week for Nasdaq ETSE investors as the stock has dropped more than 10% since Monday. Shares have still grown by over 130% over the past year and are currently trading well above their NBSP 50-day and 200-day moving averages, signaling a strong performance over the last few months. The catalyst behind the sudden apprehension around ETSE is the announcement earlier this week by Facebook, Nasdaq FB and Instagram. The social media firms are teaming up with BigCommerce, Nasdaq BIGC and Shopify Nice Shop to create an e-commerce checkout directly into Instagram accounts, which may eliminate the need for some customers to head to ETSE to make their purchases. NBSP, this could also trigger a migration of ETSE users to Facebook and Instagram because of a huge discrepancy in site fees that are charged to sellers. On ETSE, sellers pay a fee of 12.35%, but with options it can go as high as 16%. In comparison, NBSP Facebook is able to keep that fee as low as 5%, a considerable difference for entrepreneurs who are already dealing with thin margins. Still, ETSE has its loyal client base and remains the first choice for customers looking for DIY products. It is estimated that ETSE has a $150 billion total addressable market, which would put its current reach at about 5% of that market. The COVID-19 quarantine and Black Lives Matter movement have streamlined customers to ETSE in a perfect storm of DIY trends and small business support. NBSP ETSE stock news. NBSP, while investors may be hesitant thanks to Facebook's move into the e-commerce space, Wall Street analysts remain bullish on ETSE with a median one-year target price of $153.44 per share, signaling a near 30% ceiling from current price levels. With a well-positioned balance sheet and an expectation of a continuation of the coronavirus pandemic, this could be the dip that investors should buy into before the stock returns to previous levels. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.